What is a block in Notion? In this video, I'm going to explain the concept of blocks used by Notion. With Notion, you can do many things such as planning trips, managing projects, tracking your monthly budget, creating to-do lists, or anything else you need to organize. Notion is like a blank canvas, where you fill it using the building blocks provided by the tool. To get started, you need to create a page. That will be our blank canvas. From there, you can build whatever you want, however you want. To give you an idea of what you can build, I created a page called 80 Science Fiction Films. I'm going to click on it so we can see what it looks like. Notice that I created this page using different types of blocks, which I combined in the most useful and interesting way. Let's take a look at each one of them. This is an image block. This is a text block. This is a heading block. This is a toggle list block. To open it, just click. This is a map block. This is a to-do list block. This is a video embed block. And finally, this is a table block. Notion offers a large number of blocks. To see a list of all of them, just type /. In that list, we can find the blocks I used on this page, such as text, heading, to-do list, toggle list, image, video, table view, and map view, among many others you can use. One important thing to mention is that a block can be transformed, meaning a block can be turned into any other type of block. For example, here I have a text block. To transform it, just click this symbol. A menu will appear. Under the Turn Into option, you can choose the new block type you want to use. I'm going to choose Quote. And now this text block has been transformed into a quote block. Blocks can also be moved within your page if you want to reorganize your information. To do this, just click the same symbol and drag it to a new location. That's how you combine different types of blocks to create your page in Notion. I hope this content was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want to receive more tips and tutorials to become more productive and efficient in the digital world, just subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.